Hi, welcome to my channel Anam Takshasila. In this new video, I am going to solve a mathematical problem under analytical geometry. So the problem is, show that the circles x square plus y square plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 6x plus 6y minus 46 equal to 0 touch each other. So here what they have given? They have given two equations of circles and they are asking to show that they are touch each other. Touch each other means either they are touch each other externally or internally. That means if you get the distance between their two centers, that is C1 C2 equal to R1 plus R2 or sum of two radii, then you can say that the given two circles touch each other externally. Or if you got the distance between the two centers, that is C1 C2 equal to difference of radii, either R1 minus R2 or R2 minus R1, then you can say that the two circles touch each other internally. So you have to show either externally or internally. So for this, what you need to find? You need to find the center, that is from the both circles. That is C1 you need to find from the first equation of circle and C2 from the second equation of circle. Likewise, you need to find the radius R1 from the first circle and similarly radius R2 from the second equation of circle. So how to do this? You have to compare these given equations of circles with the general equation of circles to find the values of G1 value, F1 value and C1 value from the first equation of circle. Similarly, you need to find the values of G2, F2 and C2 from the second equation of circle, and then you have to find the centers from those two circles. So first you solve the solution. So starting step, write the given equation of two circles. So what is given here? So write the first equation of circle, x square plus y square plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. Number this equation number 1. And similarly write the second equation. What is second equation? X square plus y square minus 6x plus 6y minus 46 equal to 0. This is second. Now we have to compare these two equation circles with the general equation of circle. So first we will compare this first equation of circle with the general equation of circle. So what is the general equation of circle? That is, you have to compare this with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Since these two equations are given, we will write x square plus y square plus 2g1x plus 2f1y plus c1 equal to 0 for first equation. So from that we will get 2g1 equal to 2 and 2f1, since y is not there, so we have to write 2f1 equal to 0 and c1 equal to minus 8. So upon cancellation, so you can write from equation 1 we are getting this. So g1 equal to 2 by 2. Upon cancellation using 2 table, you will get g1 equal to 1 and here f1 equal to 0. So c1 already we got minus 8. Similarly from second equation, again you have to compare with the general equation of circle. Here we will write g2 f2 because we will write this to show the difference. So since second equation of circle, you have to compare this second equation of circle with the general equation of circle. So here you will get 2g2 equal to, in place of 2g2 you have x coefficient is minus 6 and 2f2, so y coefficient is 6 and c2 equal to what? Minus 46. So from this g2 equal to minus 6 by 2. Upon cancellation you will get g2 equal to minus 3 and here f2 equal to 6 by 2. Again upon cancellation using 2 table you will get f2 equal to 3. So you got the values of g2, f2 and c2. Now from first equation, what is center? C1. So C1 equal to minus G1 comma minus F1. So what is minus G1 here? G1 you got minus 1 and F1 value is 0. So this is C1. And you need to find the R1. What is R1? R1 equal to square root of G1 square plus F1 square minus C1. So you get, that is, what is G1 here? G1 is 1 square, f1 square is 0 square minus c1. C1 is already minus 8, so minus is there, so minus minus plus 8. So we get 1 plus 8, so that means what? 9. So what is square root of 9? That is 3. So you got the R1 value is 3. Next thing you need to find the center C2 from second equation of circle and R2 from this. So C2 equal to minus G2 minus F2, and so what is R2 here? R2 equal to square root of G2 square plus F2 square minus C2. So center C2 is minus G2. So what is G2 here? Minus. minus 3 is there. So minus minus plus 3. So 3 comma, what is minus f2? F2 value is 3. So you get minus 3. So this is C2. Just put it in the box. And here R2 equal to, this is equal to R2 is square root of, now what is G2 here? Minus 3. So minus 3 whole square. Now F2 is plus 3 whole square. Then C2 minus C2. C2 is already minus. So it will be plus 46. So we'll get, so 3 square is 9. So here 3 square is 9 plus 46. What is this? 46 plus 9? 55. 55 plus 9. What is that? 55 plus 9. You'll get 64. Now what is square root of 64? That is 8. So you got R2 equal to 8. Now what is the next step? You need to find the distance from C1 and C2. So C1 point is minus 1 comma 0 and C2 is 3 comma minus 3. So given, so what we got? C1 equal to minus 1 comma 0 and C2 equal to 3 comma minus 3. So find the distance between these 2 points. So C1 C2 equal to, as you know that distance formula is what? Between 2 points, that is x1 y1 and x2 y2. That is distance formula is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So treat this as x1 and y1. x1 is minus 1, y1 is 0 and x2 is 3, y2 is minus 3. So x2 minus x1 whole square. So put square root. So 3 minus 1, already minus is there, so we will get 3 plus 1 whole square plus minus 3 minus 0 whole square. So we will get, what is 3 plus 1 whole square? That is 4 square. So minus 3 whole square. So we will get square root of 4 is 16. 4 square is 16 plus 3 square is 9. So 16 plus 9 will get root 25. So what is that? You will get C1 C2 equal to, so you can write square root of 25 as 5 square. So it will be, square root will be removed. So C1 C2 equal to 5. Now you check the radius R1 R2, either you add or subtract. So what you do is R1 value is 3 and R2 value is 8. So the difference of this is equal to this one. So we can write R2 minus R1 equal to 8 minus R2 value is 8, R1 value is 3. So 8 minus 3 equal to 5. This is equal to C1 C2. So therefore you can write C1 C2 equal to R1 R2 minus R1. So with this you can conclude that the given two circles touch each other internally. So therefore the given two circles touch each other internally, since C1 C2 equal to R2 minus R1. Now if you want to solve problems of this kind, I have given a link in the description. Please click on that link. And this video is mostly useful to the polytechnic and engineering students. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel Anam Takshasila for further updates. Thank you for watching my video.